All right, so I just wanted to show you some of the results that we have produced. So this account got onboarded to us in the month of April. Uh, Unfortunately, I cannot go back to the month of March, but definitely they were not doing good. They were having like 25% ACUS, and the sales were only like 3 lakh or something with the advertising sales. Now, in the month of April, if I show you, they once we started their account, they jumped to 6,18,000 at 22.54% ACOS. And if you see their May result, from 6,18,000 to almost 12 lakh rupees, like almost 11 lakh 54,000 rupees of sales, which is almost like twice the sales at a less ACOS. And if you see the sales, which was in the month of March, when we were not there, they were doing 12 lakh 5,000. And since the PPC sales jumped up, now just see what the results have happened in the month of April, right? If I just do the filter of April, from 12 lakhs, it jumped to 17 lakhs. And if you see the May, where we double their PPC sales at a less ACOS, you can see what happened. From 17 lakhs, they almost reached 29 lakhs, which is like amazing in terms of just the significant growth they have got. So if you just see their data from the month of March, which is when we were not there, from 12 lakhs to 28 lakhs in just 2 months, which is almost like more than double of their sales at a less ACUS. So this is like one of the accounts which we have produced amazing results, and we have a couple of other accounts. Let me show you some more accounts with different niches. All right. So in this account, if you see, we started the work in the month of May. Like this account just got onboarded with us in the month mid month of the May, not even like the full month. And you can see in the month of April, they were doing 3,18,000 at 16.36% ACOS, which is very much okayish. And if you see in the month of May, when we started working, they went from 3,18,000 to a whooping 60, almost like 15 lakh 90,000 rupees at a 12.39% ACOS, which is like almost 500% growth in just 1 month. And if you see what they were doing, if I just show you, in the month of April, right, when we were not there, they were doing a total of 14 lakh rupees in sales, right? In the month of May, we took them, like, since the PPC sales increased 500 times, you can see their impact on their total sales, which comes around 27 lakh 24,000. In just 1 month, we were able to take them from 14 lakhs to 28 lakh rupees at a very, very less ACOS, right? And we have a couple more examples. I'll show you one or two more accounts with different niches. All right, there's the same story with this account. If you see in the month of April, I mean, we got onboarded in the last 2 weeks of the May. In the month of April, they came with us because I mean they wanted to increase their sales, and the ACOS was very very high when they were managing it. So you can see, like, the sales were 6,23,000 rupees at 24.46% ACOS, and they were having a problem of increasing their sales. We took them in the mid May, and you can see in the month of May, they went from 6,23,000 rupees to a whooping 11 lakh rupees, 11 lakh 13,000 rupees. And if you see their June's data, which is even more promising, from 11 lakh 13,000 as a total advertising sales from the May month, they went from, they are still, like, as of today, 23rd June, they are 20 lakh 85,000 at a less ACUS, which is 22.03. So if you just see their growth, it has been immense. And if you see the impact on the total sales, they were doing 20 lakh rupees in the month of April. And if I just tell you the month of May, which is now from April, which were 20 lakhs, in the May, they shoot up to 31 lakhs. So almost like 11 lakh rupees of increment. And if you see June, which is like still ongoing as of the day we are recording, they have already crossed last month's target by 8.5 lakh, which is staggering and amazing. And the ACOS is all time low. So, I mean, there are so many more accounts that we have got the similar results with, where people were having ACOS problem. We were able to take from 45% ACOS to even 20% ACOS while increasing the sales and not keeping the sales even stagnant. So, if you think this is something you would be interested in exploring, and understanding if we can actually really help you. We can do a free audit for you and let you know how much we can increase your sales in 30 days and 60 days and at what ACUS. And you see, most of the campaigns that we create are crazy, right? 935. Some of the accounts we have 1,000, 2,000, even 3,000 is campaigns. But we are able to scale the account while maintaining the ACUS. That's where our skill lies, and everything else. All right. So I'm putting the link below. If you're interested, you can actually book a call with my team and we can go from there. Thank you.